Hello and welcome to Research Circle again. The topic for this particular video is step-by-step guide to create a successful YouTube channel in 2021. So in recent year, more and more people have realized that online career can be a lucrative option for their career. Whether you want to become an influencer or you are passionate about entertaining people, YouTube is the great platform. In fact, creating a YouTube channel is an easy process that doesn't make more than a couple of minutes. So in reality, the most difficult part of succeeding on this platform is to get views and subscribers. So in this video, you're going to discover the basic steps for creating your YouTube channel. Once everything is done, you can buy a cheap YouTube views to start building your online career. So there are multiple benefits. It's free to use. Uploading and watching the videos on YouTube, easy to use, is one of the most important use. An easy way to share the information. It gives you an opportunity to earn money through your videos. With YouTube, you can earn money for your views. So first step in creating a YouTube channel is find your niche. Now finding your niche is the most important decision you can need to take even before joining the platform. This decision is going to influence your content, your audience, and your whole strategy for growing your channel. So pick a niche that you have expertise in or you are passionate about, so that you ensure that you always put your best self on the content you upload. So when you have decided on a niche, take a look at the top channels to find out what this particular audience like. The next step here is create a YouTube account. This next step is to create your channel on the platform. First of all, you need to join YouTube by creating an account. The only thing you need for it is an email address. We recommend that you create a new email specifically for your new channel. Of course, before this step, you need to have figured out the name of your channel. So it would be beneficial to you to have an email address that refers to the name of your channel, so that it is easier for the brand to communicate with you later on. So the next step here is fill in your channel's information. So after you created your channel, it is time to fill all the information on its about page. This is very important as users are going to read about your channel to decide whether they want to subscribe to your channel or not. So therefore, take out your time to write a catchy and a meaningful channel description that represent your personality and your content. Moreover, add your content information so that you can make potential sponsorships and collaborations easy. Lastly, don't forget to add keywords in your description so that your channel appears on every relevant search. With the cheap YouTube views, you can draw users' attention. The next step is you upload your channel art and profile pic. So the following steps is to finalize the outlook of your channel by uploading eye-catching channel art and an appropriate profile picture. The art you will choose will be the storefront of your whole YouTube channel, as it is the first thing that user will see as soon as he or she enters your space. So this is very important, especially if you buy cheap YouTube view, you will direct a lot of traffic to your channel. Therefore, make sure that your art communicates what you want to be clearly and consciously. So the next is get the proper equipment and start creating content. YouTube is a competitive platform with the millions of active channels. This means that every user has a lot of available options, no matter the topic he is interested in. So if you want to stand out for your competition, you need to upload the videos of high quality. In more detail, you need to invest in the proper equipment to give you the best possible audio and image quality. As soon as your content is live, you can also buy a cheap YouTube views to boost your channel even more so that it reaches to more users. The next one point comes here is optimize your videos SEOs. SEO technology are essential for succeeding on social media nowadays. So if you optimize your videos, you will ensure that they will appear first on any relevant search. This also will give your content a huge number of views. In addition to this, you can also enhance them with the cheap YouTube views for strong views, so that you can approach a wide audience. The most essential part of YouTube SEO is a keyword search. Luckily, there are a lot of free online tools that can easily give list of relevant keywords. The next one is creating a stunning thumbnail. So a huge part of your success also depend on the thumbnail that you create for your videos. So stunning image will draw the eyes of the users to your content, and if they find them useful, they will click on them. So no other video element is as effective as your thumbnail in increasing your views. So therefore you should create awesome image and also buy cheap YouTube views to get as much as more explore as you can. This is the way you can use this content. This content will always get a lot of views and your channel will gain new followers. The next point is promote your videos on social media. So the next step to gaining the attention you need for more successful channel on this platform is to drive traffic to your content through various sources. So social media platforms are ideal for the promotion of your videos, as you already have gathered following on each of one of them. So don't forget to create a Facebook page and Instagram account for your channel. Then the next one, and the most important for your earning purpose, is join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is an essential tool for every creator that want to monetize his content. So you are eligible to apply for this program when you gain 1000 subscribers and your content has accumulated more than 400 watch time hours. This is the very important part, that your channel must have 1000 subscribers and watch time must be 4000 plus within a 12 month, that too within a 12 months. So you have 1 year to achieve this target. When you join this program, you can take advantage of monetization of your videos and get revenue from the ads. To earn more subscribers and views quickly, you can get cheap YouTube views. So these are all basic steps to create the YouTube channel. The key to its success is to gain a lot of views and subscribers, which can easily do by attracting the viewers to your content. So this was the video all about the steps to create the YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Research Circle channel for more videos. Thank you so much.